Hi guys, it's Kaylee here, or as some of you may know me, Kaylee Aaron, the Digital Mummypreneur. And in this video, we're just going to go over a bit of an understanding of social media as a whole and how you can use it to build your brand and start marketing your business. So this video is a bit of a pre-qualifier for the training or the free workshop, as we only want people who are very serious about changing their lives and starting an online business. So with that, we'll get started. So we're going to begin with a bit of a social media overview of some of the platforms used currently in the online world. And we'll begin with the biggest one, which is Facebook. Facebook has a 2.23 billion monthly active user rate. It's absolutely massive. It's a great way to get your brand and your business out there. It's great for really targeting niches and choosing your audience, and it's a great platform all around. But we also have Instagram, and Instagram's reached 1 billion active users as of June 2018. Another wonderful platform to get going, especially with millennials and kind of the younger crowd. It's just absolutely my favorite and a great way to market your business. We also have YouTube. YouTube has 1.57 billion monthly active users. So if you love video, then YouTube is for you. And we have Twitter. Twitter has 330 million monthly active users. Snapchat, more than 300 million monthly active users. Pinterest, 175 million monthly active users. And then LinkedIn with 500 million users. All right, so choosing the right platform for you. Top tips. So you want to start and pick 1 to 2 platforms max and master them before trying to learn any others. This is so important, as you really don't want to get overwhelmed. There's so much out there and there's so many ways that you can get going with your business, but it is just so important to just choose 1 to 2 platforms, master them, and then rinse, wash, and repeat with other platforms in the future. And you really want to avoid shiny object syndrome, which basically means just pick one business, affiliate marketing program, whatever it is that you're wanting to do. Just stick with one and go with it until you've found your success. If you're jumping around from business to business and all over the map, it just doesn't work. I know from experience, I did this when I started, and my best advice is to just pick one and go with it. And you want to stick to what's right for you and your audience and play to your strengths. You want to think about what content you enjoy creating. Videos, YouTube. Long stories, Facebook or Twitter. Images, Instagram. And choose the platform suited to that content. So think about your audience demographic and which platforms they are most prevalent to be on as well. Females dominate Pinterest, so definitely Pinterest if you're targeting females. Millennials, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And then a corporate executive type, LinkedIn is great for that. And then you always want to remember that growth takes time and consistency, and just don't give up. You may want to at times, but I promise you, if you keep going, you will not regret it. All right, and then next is your name versus brand name. So you want to think about your niche and your audience. You want to think about your message. You want to think about the kinds of brands you're attracted to, and you want to think about other brands and people within your niche and what they've done. This takes some research, and it's actually quite fun, but you want to really have it in your long-term goals as well. Will the brand you're using now be relevant to where you want to be in 5 to 10 years' time, and so on? If you love traveling now, and you love cooking now, or you love, something that may be different in 5 to 10 years' time, you may want to just broaden your message a bit more than that. Maybe if you are traveling now but don't think you will be in 5 to 10 years, you may have a family and children and be more of a stay-at-home type, then you probably don't want to go with a Globetrotter brand. So anyways, you just really have to think about it and think about what's right for you. Next is understanding how to monetize your social media. So a great way to do that, the easiest way to do it, and my most favorite way, is to have affiliate offers. So you want to promote someone else's product and then earn commissions. but you can also look into influencer and sponsorship deals, more affordable ways for brands to advertise to more targeted audiences. There's a huge micro-influencer thing going on right now, and it is a great way to make some extra money on the side. And then you could also look into making your own courses and creating and selling your own product. Another great resource that we have in Summit Affiliate is learning how to do this. And then you also have services. You want to pick an area you specialize in and provide that service to others for a fee. So for myself, I specialize in Instagram growth, and I've made a side business out of helping people that may not want to fully do it on their own. I help them and I earn a little bit of side money or a slush fund from that. And then there's products. You can sell your own products, of course, as well. But if you want to get started and you're not sure how to, I suggest affiliate offers, as it's the very easiest way to get going and earn your first dollar online. All right, and next, so this will be covered a lot more in depth inside the social media blueprint, which you will be getting access to. But the true key to success online is implementation. So before you create your free account, there's a short exercise for you to complete. This shows up as you're serious and ready to take action to creating your own social media business. Once you finish the exercise, the free workshop plus all bonuses will be unlocked for you. Woohoo! So thank you so much for listening. I hope that I see you on the inside.